Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Aisyah Akila binti Muhammad Jalil. I will be presenting on the scenario and sensitivity analysis for my assignment. I will be doing a business on selling cute socks, such as like these two. It have a cartoon pattern on the socks. On the screen, we can see that this is all the projection that I assume within a month and the revised based on the profit model. The first one is unit profit, where the competitor's price is 3 ringgit until 30 ringgit, and I choose for the best price is 9 ringgit. I choose 9 ringgit because I see that I've done some research where a lot of people that sells these cute socks used to sell with this price. And as for the unit cost, is 2 ringgit and 50 cent, where it can be counted by dividing the total variable cost 2,500 with the production volume by 1,000. Now is for the fixed cost. My fixed cost is on the rental. I rent a store which I need to pay for 700 ringgit in a month. As for the inventory level, I put 200 units. For the demand that I get from the customer is 800. As for the number of days per month is 30 days, and the number of days working is 5 days per week, where 20 days in a month. Number of days in selling seasons at discounted price is 2 days within a month, where I sell my product with discount, just 2 days in a month. For the number of days in full retail, which is 9 ringgit, I will sell my product by 9 ringgit only for 18 days. This is the clearance sales, and this is the discount rate for the intermediate sales, which 20% to 50%. As for the cost, if purchased from the supplier or outsource, where the cost that I need to pay for the supplier for the product that I want, if my workers is not working, or if I have no one to produce the product, I need to pay for 5 ringgit. As for the revenue is 10,000. The profit based on the revenue minus with cost is 5,000, and for the worst scenario is below than what I have encountered for the best scenario. For the variable cost for best scenario have no different with the worst scenario. The variable cost consists of labor. I hired 2 labor with 1,000 ringgit as for their salary, where they are just a part-timer. So I need to pay 2,000 ringgit for labor in a month, every month. Electricity bills 80 ringgit. Logistic is 100 ringgit, where more on used to traveling or petroleum when sending the customer's product and customer's order. For the water bills is 20 ringgit, and the others is 300 ringgit. The others is like something like in a small part and a lot of things.